Oh, missed him. I had one. Those are right off the bat too. Probably a little bluegill. He didn't have it all in his mouth, but I'll take it. I figured right here in this little dead spot there'd be something hanging out. There he is again. All right, I got him. I think it's a little smallie. Little smallmouth. Right down there. Pick something up. Ooh, dang it, that was a good smallmouth. See if I can't get hammered by a cottonmouth up in here. Laying out here on the bank, trying to get some sun. Oh man, one hammered it right there. There's one in there. Mama got me on some fish today. That was awesome. That's cool, wasn't it? You what? Yeah, that'd be pretty awesome. Some just on the creek. I was thinking about land like that, it won't do anything but go up. Woo! Little beauty right there, he hammered that. They're biting the tip. They don't want to commit. So there's another one. Come on up here, big brownie. Nice little brown's back. Mm-hmm. Well, I'm getting bumped pretty good. What is this little goose? Boy, isn't he pretty? Woo-wee! Little pumpkin seed. Look at that little beaut. Oh, I just smoked your lip. Look at that guy. Let's get your picture. Got him. Got him. Woo!
All right.
Man, I was sitting there getting a nibble and I thought, it's been pretty decent, man. I've caught, let's see, one over here and the rest I caught over here, but they're little, but it's just something fun to do on a nice day. Yeah. Okay. All right. All right. Good deal. Y'all have a good day, man.
Thank you.
That's usually a pretty good smallmouth spot right here.
Yeah. Yes. What's that?
Nick.
Yeah.
Stuart, Jason.
What's up, man?
Party's coming down the river too, ain't
That's awesome, dude. What are the chances of that happening? How you doing, man?
What's going on, brother?
It's good to see you out here. Yeah.
Marty Anderson. Nick Lively.
What's going on, buddy?
Catch anything?
Yeah, a little bit here and there, man. A little bit. You been doing good?
Oh yeah.
All right. Good, well, what's going on, bud? I haven't seen you in a while. Good.
I tell
Man,
him,
I tell you what, the smallmouth up at Buffalo.
Yeah, I hear they're pretty
all day
far
long,
up there.
And they fight. It's so much fun.
Yeah, that
You know when they hit it, it just.
Yeah.
yeah. Like, man, people look at Arkansas as just Arkansas, and then you get out like this and it's like, man, this is where it's at.
Yeah.
But
It's just
20 more minutes and we're gonna head out. I don't
good
want
seeing y'all.
Good seeing you too, bud.
Seeing your kayak, which makes me wish I still had mine.
Yeah, until you see my sunburn.
Yeah. See you, buddy.
Y'all have a good one. Be careful.
All right, man. There we go. Last one of the day.